Hello everyone, myself Pranshi, a student of class 9, and today I am presenting a model from science under the guidance of Mr. Ravi Kumar sir. Here I have made a model on the topic interconversion of states of matter. The process when matter change its forms to form another, it's known as interconversion of states of matter. There are basically three phases of matters in our surrounding: solid, liquid and gas. First, let's talk about solid. Solids have particles very close to each other and thus they doesn't have much kinetic energy as shown in the model. And the process by which solid change into gases is known as sublimation as shown in the model. The second is gas. Gas have particles far from each other and that's why they have much kinetic energy. And the process by which gas change into liquid is known as condensation. The process by which liquid change into gas is known as evaporation, and the process by which solid change into gas is known as sublimation. Liquid have particles neither more far nor much close to each other and they have intermediate kinetic energy. The process by which liquid change into solid is known as freezing as shown here, and the process by which solid change into liquid is known as melting. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anya Verma from class 9th and I made this project under the guidance of Mr. Ravi sir. This is Newton's cradle and this is a device that demonstrates the conservation of momentum and the conservation of energy. This shows that when we pull first spheres, then last spheres moving upward. This shows that mass and velocity of the conservation of spheres that shows. We show that like this. This is so that when we pull the first sphere, then last spheres moving upward. This is conservation of momentum and second law of motion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gauri Shukla, I study in class 9 and today I am here to present this science model due to guidance of Mr. Ravi Kumar sir. Sir, I have made this project with the help of cardboard and CD cover which we should have to keep mobile with playing videos or images which creates images on a CD cover placed on a structure results in a 3D hologram image screen. This model is based on a phenomena of interference in which two waves are intersect with single point which creates images. Thank you.
Hello, this is Unnati Gupta here from class 9A. From class 9A, we have prepared animal cell. In animal cell have very organelles, mitochondria, smoother, isosomes, cell membrane. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell. It generates energy from the ATP.
Nucleus. It is considered a brain of a cell. It controls and coordinates function of a cell. It controls chromosomes are made up of nucleus. It is considered brain of a cell. It controls and coordinates function of a cell. It is made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shreya Singh and I am studying class 9 and today I am going to present water dispenser. This is a topic of science. Water dispenser is a useful device that we can easy to make at our house. In water dispenser the main topic is pressure and gravity. Water dispenser, due to gravity, water comes down into the breaker and when we close the lid on the bottle, there is no pressure in the bottle and that's why water doesn't flow into the breaker. This. Thank you so much.
Good morning friends, we are the students of class 9 and we are going to present a science project. This is called volcano. When I took a chemical reaction. when I put shampoo and in this volcano, the gas is represent in the form of magma.
Hello everyone, I am Sukirti and I am presenting a model of a chemical process, that is distillation, under the guidance of Ravi sir. Here in this process, firstly we will take acetone and water and start boiling in the distillation flask, and the particles of mixture of acetone will settle down in the distillation flask, and the rest water will be out from the water outlet, and vapor form of water will be come through water condenser and collect into a beaker here, as you can see, and the we get here, that is acetone. So by this process we can separate components of a mixture from miscible liquids. Thank you.
Hello, we are the student of class 9th A and we made a project on the topic of water cycle. Here we see that this is lake, this is hilly land, this is plain area. The water evaporates from here and goes up and condense to form cloud. When clouds become heavy, they precipitate in the form of rain, and the rain goes down from the hilly area to plain area and then goes to the lake, and this whole thing is called water cycle. Thank you. This whole process continues and this whole process is known as water cycle. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Yatharth Gupta from class 9th, and I made a project of plant cell in which I made nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi bodies and RER. Nucleus is the brain of the cell and chloroplast is only found in plant cell. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell, and Golgi bodies helps in packing, dispatching and storing, and RER is known as the protein manufacturing. Thanks.
I am the student of class 9th A and I make the project of solar system with the guidance of my science teacher Mr. Ravi sir, and this is only star of this solar system, and it is center of the solar system. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are terrestrial planets. These planets have surface. This is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These planets are gaseous giants. These planets don't have any kind of surface. All planets revolve around the sun because of gravitational pull of the sun. Thank you.
Hello, I am Abhay of class 9th A. I made this project of layers of atmosphere, and the first layer is troposphere. When we go upward at 0 to 10 kilometer, we get this troposphere layer, and 10 to 30 kilometer is stratosphere, and 30 to 50 mesosphere, and 50 to 400 kilometer we get thermosphere, and 400 to up than 400 we get exosphere. Thank you.
Good morning friends, I am Harshit Kumar from class 9th A, and today I make activities to show that how things goes from high pressure to lower pressure, and this is an activity to show that how things goes high pressure to low pressure. When I apply external pressure from it, it's fall and goes to lower pressure, and it's fall down due to gravity, and it is sharp needle to cheer anything, or for going smooth track it is sharp. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Aman Singh. I am the student of 9th A. I am make the model of on the principle of law of conservation of energy. In this model work on the mechanical energy change into electrical energy. When I put the magnet here, this CD will rotate. This rotation of CD and a motor also rotate. It can rotate and this motor rotate. It can mechanical energy change into electrical energy. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Suren Sukla from class 9th A. I made a working model and this bobbing filling machine. This is work on law of conservation of energy, and this is chemical energy. It's convert into electrical energy, and electrical energy convert into mechanical energy. And how it is work? Thank you.
Hello, I am Aditya Gupta from class 9th A. Today I will show you activity based on matchbox and with the help of coin. First we will put coin on the back of the matchbox, then we will tap on the upper of the matchbox. See, the coin rises up due to inertia. Inertia is inherited property by the virtue of any changement. There are three types of inertia: inertia of direction, inertia of rest, inertia of motion. Thank you.